Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Malibu cocktails. Malibu is a fantastic base for many refreshing drinks, known for its sweet coconut flavor. We'll explore some popular and easy-to-make recipes that are perfect for any occasion. You can easily adjust the proportions to suit your taste, making each drink uniquely yours. Let's get started with some simple, delicious combinations. First up, the classic Malibu and pineapple. This simple yet delicious drink is a crowd pleaser. Just combine 2 ounces of Malibu rum with 4 ounces of pineapple juice over ice. Give it a gentle stir, and for a touch of flair, garnish with a fresh pineapple wedge or a maraschino cherry. It's a taste of the tropics in every sip. Next, let's craft a vibrant Malibu Bay Breeze. This cocktail offers a delightful balance of sweet and tart. You'll need 1.5 ounces of Malibu, 2 ounces of cranberry juice, and 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Pour all ingredients over ice, stir gently to combine, and finish with a fresh lime wheel for a zesty aroma. Enjoy this colorful and refreshing drink. Finally, create a stunning Malibu sunset. This drink is as beautiful as it is delicious. Start by mixing 2 ounces of Malibu with 4 ounces of orange juice in a glass filled with ice. Then, slowly pour 1/2 ounce of grenadine down the side of the glass. It will sink and create a gorgeous layered effect. Garnish with an orange slice and a cherry for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.